Hello students, welcome to Auja classes Smartness in Education. Here we are going to solve those equations which are not exactly in linear equations form but they can be reduced to linear equations in two variables. That means here we are going to learn about the solution of those equations and the finding of the values of the variables or the unknowns in from the equations which can be reduced to the general form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us see this concept by solving some problems. Let us see the first problem says that the equation is 2 by x plus 3 by y equals to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y equals to minus 2. So we will write the equations in a particular manner. So we will write it as here we will write given equations are 2 into 1 by x plus 3 into 1 by y equals to 13 and 5 into 1 by x minus 4 times 1 by y equals to minus 2. Let us mention that this is equation number first and this is second. Now put 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. So we get 2u plus 3v equals to 13 and 5u minus 4v equals to minus 2. These are third and fourth. See carefully that equation number third and fourth are the general form of linear equations in two variables which are in u and v. And these two equations can be solved for u and v by any of the methods we have learnt earlier. So let us, we are applying the elimination method by equating the coefficient of u. So we will multiply equation number third by 5 and 4 by 2. So we get 10u plus 15v equals to 65 and here we will get 10u minus 8v equals to minus 4. Now subtracting we get 23v equals to 69. So by solving 23 v equals to 69 we get the value of v as 23 3 ja, that means the value of v is 3. So substituting the value of v into either third or fourth, substituting the value of v into, let us put it into third, we get 2u plus 3 into 3 equals to 13. That means we get 2u plus 9 equals to 13. So further we get 2u equals to 13 minus 9 we get 2u equals to 4 and u is 4 by 2, that means 2. So value of u obtained is 2. So we have 1 by x equals to u, and actually we had to find the values of x and y. So 1 by x is equals to 2, and hence by taking the reciprocal we get the value of x as 1 by 2. Again we had 1 by y as v, that means 1 by y equals to 3, and hence the value of y will become 1 by 3, so that x is equals to 1 by 2 and y is equals to 1 by 3. That is the answer. Let us see a word problem that is based upon that will form the pair of equations which are not exactly in the general form of pair of linear equations in two variables, but it will be reduced into that. Let us see the problem. It says a boat goes 30 kilometers upstream. Upstream refers to the condition when boat moves in the opposite direction of the flow of the water in the river or any water body, and 44 kilometer downstream. Downstream means when the boat flows in the same direction of the flow of the water. So in case of upstream, the speed of boat will be reduced, and in case of downstream, the speed of boat will be increased. And it is observed that in case of upstream, the speed of boat is the subtracted value of the speed of boat and the water or the flow of water. And in case of downstream, the net speed of boat is the summation of the speed of boat and the speed of water flow. So let us take let the speed of boat in still water equals to x kilometers per hour, and speed of stream or flow of water b equals to y kilometers per hour, and the speed of stream is equals to y kilometers per hour. So speed of boat in downstream will be x plus y kilometers per hour, and speed of boat in upstream will be x minus y kilometers per hour. And we know that the time is equals to distance upon speed. So according to this formula, here we have a boat goes 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. That means total time taken is 10 hours. And further, it says that in 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. So, here in the case 1, time is 10 hours and the boat goes 30 kilometers upstream. So, distance is 30 and speed is x minus y. Further, it moves 44 kilometers downstream with a speed of x plus y. So, it can be written as 30 upon x minus y plus 44 upon x plus y equals to 10. And again, from the question, in 13 hours, time is 13 and it goes 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers in downstream, and the equation can be written as 40 upon x minus y plus 55 upon x plus y equals to 13. Let us assume that this is first and this is second. Let us put 1 upon x minus y equals to u and 1 upon x plus y equals to v. So we get the equations become 30u plus 44v equals to 10 and 40u plus 55 v is equals to 13, which are third and fourth. So again we will write these equations and we will solve by any of the methods. (30u plus 44v equals to 10 and 40u plus 55v equals to 13. So let us solving these two equations by, let us here we are solving because the numbers are large, so we are using the cross multiplication method. So by solving cross multiplication method, here we have variables as u and v. So here again the same situation will arise. BC BC, CA CA, AB AB, 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1, and operating the minus sign over here. So we get 44 into minus 13, 44 into 13 minus 55 into 10 equals to v upon C1A2, that means 10 into 40 minus C2A1 minus 1 upon 30 into 55 minus 40 into 44. So we get u upon, by solving we get the different values as, by solving we get 44 into 13 minus 55 into 10 is obtained as 22, V upon obtained value is 400 minus 390, that will be 10 equals to minus 1 upon 30 into 55 minus 44 into 40, that will be minus 110, and minus has been cancelled out. And by solving we get, by equating, we get u upon 22 equals to 1 upon 110, that means u is 22 upon 110, that means we get u as 1 by 5, and v by 10 equals to 1 by 110, that means we get v as 10 by 110, that means we get v equals to 1 by 11. Now since u is 1 upon x minus y, so that we get x minus y 1 upon x minus y is 5, 1 upon x minus y equals to 1 by 5, that means x minus y is equals to 5. This is going to be our equation number 5, and we had v as 1 upon x plus y, so that 1 upon x plus y equals to 1 by 11, and hence we get x plus y equals to 11, which is equation number 6. Now equation 5 and 6 can be solved very easily. So by using the elimination method, we will add this equation, and hence we get the values of x plus y is 11, so we get 2x equals to 16, and hence the value of x is 8, and from 5, 8 minus y is equals to 5, we get y is equals to 5 minus 8, that means minus y equals to minus 3, that means y is equals to 3, so that speed of stream equals to 3 kilometers per hour, and speed of boat is equals to 8 kilometers per hour. That is the required answer. Thank you. So we have learned the complete concept of pair of linear equations in two variables. Thank you. For more educational videos of school and college level, like, share and subscribe to Ahuja classes on YouTube. Thank you.